Hiya, in this video I'm going to show you how to make some really cool kind of unique custom gifts from a set that I got from BeeBeeCraft.com. So this is actually an earring making set, but you can use these pendants for so many other things. So you get like the pendant backs and 5 different sizes these come in. I'll put a link in the description of this set I got. And yeah, so you get 20 altogether. Like I say, there's 5 different sizes. The small ones are really good for earrings, and then like larger ones you can use also for earrings, or you can use them for pendants, for a necklace and anything else. So these are the backs. It's just like a little flat disc with like a little slightly raised edge. Then you get these like glass domes that go with them. Again, these match the sizes and they just pop in there, and you can customize these literally however you want. So to make some really simple earrings, I'm going to be using these, and I'm literally just printed out a little rainbow. You can draw something on paper, or you can use a photo or anything, and just to make your earring more unique. So I'm just deciding where I want this, see what colour is going to show. So basically get the glass dome and put it on top of the picture I'm going to use. I'm just going to draw around that so I know how big it is. Then I'm going to cut that paper out. Then once I've done that, I'm going to glue that onto the back of the pendant. Then I'm going to take the glass bit, and I'm using just a normal craft glue, nothing special. Then you also glue the glass bit on top, and then that's the pendant done. So like I say, you can use you can like do a little drawing, you can like write words in it, or just normal colours. Then you also get the earring hooks, and I'm just basically going to take a jump ring just to connect the earring hook to the little pendant. I'm going to close that up, and that's done for the earring. So this is, like I say, this is like such a simple, and I apologise for the blurry, it's just such a simple way of making an earring, but because of the pendant bit you can use, you can literally customise them, make them for friends and families, so you can give them something they like. I say these are really nice if you want to use pictures with them as well, which I'll show you in my next DIY. So that's how I got these from BeeBeeCraft, and I'll tell you at the end of the video about their YouTube program, because they like to work with YouTubers showing their products, and you need 100 subscribers to actually be part of their YouTube program, so I'll tell you more about that in a bit. So next thing I'm going to do is, using the slightly larger ones, is I'm going to again print out some photos. This is my nana and granddad, and again putting the glass bit on top of the photo, draw them around it, and I'm going to cut these out. So you just have to print them out on normal paper as well, you don't need anything special. So again, I'm going to glue these in place using the same craft glue, and then also glue the glass bit on top to make the pendant. And now I'm going to get a keyring and a small bit of chain. You don't need a lot, just a small bit. I'm going to get a jump ring, attach one end of the chain to the keyring hoop, and then the other end I'm going to attach to one of the pictures. So I'm just going to get another jump ring, attach that to the picture, and then the bottom of the chain, close that up, and then the other picture I'm going to do about Again, using jump ring, got to attach it about halfway up the chain, so it's like staggered a bit. And then I'm going to add some beads just to give it a bit of colour. You can just leave it as it is, but again, this will make a nice gift for someone. You can use like however many pendants you like as well. Like if you're making something for your mum and you want to put all the kids in there, you can make one for each. So I've got a flat back pin, and I'm just going to put a couple of beads on it. These beads also came from BeeBeeCraft.com, along with the pliers I'm using actually. So I'm just going to cut off some of the excess wire that I don't need. I'm going to take my pliers and then just bend that around. Sorry, that went off screen. So I just literally bent it around the pliers to create a hoop, and then that's what I'm gonna attach the chain to. So I made the hoop, I'm gonna open up the hoop again slightly, so I'm able to attach it to the chain. And then I'm going to attach it to the chain, like above. I'm going to do one above the top picture, then one in between the pictures, and then that's it. That's another little gift done. And I apologise if you can hear my neighbours thumping in the background. They've been noisy throughout all this lockdown. So that's nearly done, and then I'm just going to add a few more beads. Yeah, and you can like add other little pendants as well to go with it, or you can just leave it as it is, and like I say, it makes a really nice gift. So this BeeBeeCraft YouTube program, they team up with YouTubers, they send you some products and you have to review them and make a couple of tutorials with them. They'll send it to you for free. You get to choose which items you actually want to try out, and you can apply for that by the link in the description. Yeah, so check it out if that's something you're interested in, and thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!